Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Edgar called Chimera here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, and if you want to share, to like, to dislike, and to subscribe, to comment, to enjoy, not to enjoy, it's free, so just do it. It's gonna be amazing, anything you're gonna do. So this is a pretty cool knife, guys. Very, I mean, this is good. It's nicely done, I have to say. Nice custom made Chimera, Dama steel, internal milling, titanium frame block. We're gonna try to see if we can improve the action on this guy. Let's go ahead. So T8 and actually no, this is not T anything. Yeah, in fact I need this for this one. So we're gonna need this bit for the pivot, right? But the same bit doesn't work for the screws. Look at this. Actually it does, but not this one. It's like really strange. Like, look, this guy goes in just a little bit and that's fine, but this one, it really doesn't. I mean, it just, the tip of the bit goes inside, you see? So I'm a little bit hesitant in using this one. That's why I think like a T7, for example, would go in. This is like T6, no, so it doesn't work. So that's a T8, so that's a tricky one. I'm not sure what's going on. So like T8, it's pretty much the same size of this one, you see? Just a different, just different shape, but this, the edges are matching. So I'm thinking maybe I can do something, or actually I can use this guy from this other kit that I have. There's a bunch of tools. Look at this one. And I think this might be it. That's a little bit different. Exactly, look at this. So this actually works. So I'm just gonna use this one to, look at this, to take it apart. There you go. And now that that is gone, I can use, for example, this guy just to unscrew, because there's no, you see? So it works. Don't use this as the first option because you risk to ruin the screws. I don't know why it's like that, but that's just the way it is. So we have to go with the flow, right? So there you go. So these are done, okay? These we're gonna need in a bit, and this we don't, and this we do, and this is the backspacer which goes here. And now we're gonna need this guy here for the pivot, and this is getting in like perfectly. So I'm not really sure what's going on. So here, yeah, also we got this situation here, which requires the use of something like that, right? Something like, maybe we can use this as a, because I don't want to ruin anything. So maybe let's see like if that works. Not really. So maybe like that. Hold it in place. Not really, no, I don't see this guy working actually. So spinning pivot, proprietary tool, let me see what I can find. Maybe this other tool is a little bit wider. Because should I use like a Shiro tool? What do you think, guys? Or I should just use like a Shiro tool. No, look at that. That works. There was some Loctite or something in it. And we did it. So this is out. Just be careful like that. Yeah. Nice phosphorus bronze washers. For this guy, there's a little bit of gunk here. We're gonna clean it up in a second. And that is it. Look at this. Done. A little bit of rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. It's all you need in this situation to clean these washers really, really thin. So just use the usual care because you don't want to bend any of this. You want to clean the blade, tang, everything that goes inside. We want to clean the stop pin, the pivot, and all that stuff. And also we want to clean, look at this, wow. Want to clean nicely the area here. Yeah. Here you go. And that is done. I think there's like a pivot collar here. We can just clean the inside of that. And the stop pin as well, which can go back. This guy also can be reinserted back, and we can clean the screw like so. And we're done with the cleaning. And let's go and assemble this fella over here. So I like to have this guy oriented like if it was like a Shiro, just because that's just me. And then for this one we can use like a 10 weight nano oil, sorry, 5 weight nano oil, a little bit lighter just for the washers. I find it to work nicely. And then we've got the blade and another, like, let's do a little bit around the pivot and also on the detent ball track. And then we got the other washer, and then so they go on the other side. So let's just do like so, like this, just sandwich the thing. We can do this, so it's gonna be like that, all right? And one, and now we can do the second one like so, which goes in like that. Really good. So rotate the thing, and now we are gonna go back with this bad boy over here, actually, just to have it catch the thread underneath if he wants to. So was this one? Yeah. Yeah. So, and let's just do the same thing here. Here we go. So this is just to have them in place, and then just to tighten them down, I'm just gonna remove the tension from the lock bar like so. And I'm gonna use this tool just to tighten. Don't over tighten, because easy to strip a screw, something you don't definitely want to. And I'm using a little bit of blue Loctite for to avoid this pivot from spinning loose. Here you go, that's nice. So this is in. Okay. Okay. there's no blade play. Actually, guys, this is like feeling extremely smooth now. What is going on? I mean, that's good, but it's crazy. Blade looks centered, so that's probably too much. Do a little less, maybe, just like so. Ooh, guys, ooh, wow, this is really nice. This is on washers, guys. Look at that. The detent is light, yeah. Yeah. Guys, I don't know how to explain. This is next level smoothness for washers. Very, very pleasant. It's smoother than a Sebenza. So I'm tempted maybe to use some grease, like thicker grease, like fluorinated grease, to see where we could bring this fella. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.